My clients' names are Kaylee and Matt. They're a young couple in Toronto. They have 2 small children, 2 pets, and the house did not function for them at all. They wanted to open up, create a great space for cooking, entertaining, a more usable bathroom, and a more cohesive look throughout the house. When I first saw the space, it was very closed off. There was a small disjointed kitchen at the back. The living room was actually in the middle of the house, and the dining room was at the front of the house, and it really just didn't work. We really wanted to open it up and make it work for their family of 4 and pets. For the entrance, we really just wanted to brighten it up, do something with a really fun wallpaper that tied all the different colors of the house together, and make it just a great space to put away your coats and to set the tone for the rest of the house. One of the most beautiful elements of the house to me was the brick wall, and it was really important to keep it. And because we took out so many walls and we made it more open concept, it was really more of a focal point. So we just jazzed it up a bit, and when we painted the walls and freshened it up, it now really just lends to the house. The biggest part of the reno was definitely the kitchen. Matt loves to cook. It was very important for them all to be in the kitchen together and for it to be really the focal point when you walk in. By rejigging the blueprint of the kitchen and by adding the island and taking the cabinets to the ceiling, we really were able to max out the storage. They have a place for everything. They knew exactly where they were going to put things, and this way they don't have those awkward corners and that weird peninsula that they had before. And then we also incorporated a nice little seating area, so it really checked all their boxes. We had this beautiful window that let in so much light, and we thought it would be a really fun way to add a window seat with some hidden storage in the corner, keeping the brick exposed, which I thought was a great element to tie in the brick wall without cladding it in some sort of a stone. And it's a great place for my clients' 2 kids and cats and family to hang out while everyone's in the kitchen. They park in the back of the house, and they do sometimes come through the back door. So we decided, because there is no coat closet in the back, we did a dual pantry / coat closet. So it has the versatility, depending on how they use the space, that it has a bar. They're able to hang coats and store shoes in that closet, but if they need it for extra food storage or larger kitchen appliances, they're able to transition it either way. So when I first saw the house, the living room was actually the dining room. And in this case, I thought it was better to close off the original entrance, have a nice place to put a sofa. This is not a TV room. This is a living room for reading, listening to records. That was really a main focus. There had to be a place for the records. We knew exactly how many we had to accommodate, and the collection grows. So that was a huge consideration. My clients are sentimental. They have a lot of things that they like to display, having a fireplace, but it's really a true living room for hanging out, having a glass of wine, and being with their family. The bathroom, in my opinion, was the real reason they should do the renovation. It had a lot of challenges. It actually has quite a big footprint, and it had a single sink, it had a pedestal tub, and there was just a lot of missed opportunity to make the improvements that we made. They can all be in there together. There's a great bathtub, there's a great shower, there's a double sink. It really is a bathroom that can function for their whole family if they needed it to. My clients had been to Italy, and the original inspiration was they wanted to feel sort of zen, but Italian, so we picked a really great porcelain tumbled tile for the floor, and just a lot of luxe, clean, a little bit more casual finishes, so it really had a nice Italian farmhouse feel. This actually was a fairly quick and easy reno in the grand scheme of renovations. My client's family member was the contractor, and he was wonderful to work with. And my client was also due with her second baby, and we were on the wire to get them back in the house. And as far as I know, my clients are very happy with the renovation. They love the house. I think it's exactly what they envisioned, and it functions so much better for their family.